In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Instagram or TikTok account and get your feed live on your Shopify store in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Connect your account. When you first open the app, you'll land on the Connect Account screen. Start by selecting your preferred language, then click Connect Now. You can connect via Instagram, Instagram with Facebook page, or TikTok. Select your option, log in, and click Allow to authorize the connection. Once connected, your account name will appear on screen. Then click Next Step. Step 2. Set up your feed. Here you'll customize your feed. Choose a layout, set how many posts to display, and decide what happens when a shopper clicks a post. You can also adjust columns and rows to fit your store's design. Want to turn your feed into a sales channel? Click Tag Product on any post to link it directly to a product in your store. The preview panel on the right updates live as you make changes. When you're done, click Next Step. Last step, publish your feed. First, identify which theme type your Shopify store uses. If you're on an OS 2.0 theme, click Publish Feed and the app will add it to your store automatically. Just hit Save in your theme editor to confirm, and view your feed live on your storefront. If you're on a vintage theme, copy the snippet code provided, paste it into the right section in your theme's code editor, and save. That's it. Your feed is now live. Click Explore app to manage your feed, track analytics, and tag more products anytime. Thank you for watching our video.